is how we do it.
Hey there, it's too good not to share, right? If you love quiet sunsets and a little suspense on the line, you should come along. Follow Stephen V on TikTok and catch more of these calm, wild moments with us. Hit like if you're rooting for a bite.
Yes julle, ek hoop het gaan goed met ieder en elkeen. Dis alweer daai tyd. Hier by die tronk kom ek nie weg nie. Leeuwkop Prison guys, again here today as usual. I'm with some new friends that I made on TikTok, and thank you TikTok. It's nice to make friends on our behalf. I'm with Essia and some other friends. They're busy catching a fish as we speak. But I'll show you the rest of the video. It's a lekker full day here. And the reels are running and everything looks good. But I hope you're having a good holiday as we are. I'll see you in the rest of the video. This was some of the highlights we had for the day. And let me tell you guys, we had fun. These are all new friends from TikTok. Essia, Donald, Hester, myself, Paul. We had a lot of fun catching a lot of fish for the day. Mainly all along the side, under the trees, where I think the best fishing spot was. The sun was out, everybody was having fun, and it was busy yesterday, but we still managed to catch these big ones. You'll see the bucket.
I say lekker 6.3. The biggest carp at Correctional Service.
Yes, Owens, I did it. 6 punt, wat was hy?
6.3.
6.3 Paul, ek is reg.
Kyk vir die kamera. Nee, ons wil sien hoe jy suffer. Ons wil sien.
Dankie Paul.
Hoe voel dit om gebakken te word?
Dit voel lekker. Owens, this is something very strange, and I'm going to do this one in English. I never knew this will work. So on the ball, I've got this eucalyptus. It's called Warrior and Bloekom. I'm not sure what it is, but obviously it's magic bait. So there's some kind of magic in here. Hook 1, try this, the Honey Glow. I must tell you, I have had great success today with that. Then on the bottom, what a weird combo, Clove. These three today I've landed. There was a fish very close to 5 kgs here at Leeuwkop Prison. So I just wanted to show you what can or what is possible. I never thought if I put this together that it would do what it did. So Owens, probeer hierdie. As I always say, the magic lies in the baits that you use.